NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question number 5. Prove that root 3 plus 1 of 3 minus cot 30 degrees is equal to tan³ 60 degrees minus 2 times sin 60 degrees. Let us recall the trigonometric values. Cot 30 degrees is root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now let us take the LHS, which is root 3 plus 1 of 3 minus cot 30 degrees. Root 3 plus 1 of 3 minus cot 30 degrees is root 3. Root 3 plus 1 into, let us take root 3 as common from the second term. That is equal to, first term and last term is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which we can write it as a square minus b square, where a is root 3 and b is 1. That is equal to 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2. 2 times root 3. Now let us take the RHS. Tan³ 60 degrees minus 2 times sin 60 degrees. Tan 60 is root 3 whole cube minus 2 times sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 whole cube is root 3 times root 3 into root 3. That is equal to 3 times root 3 minus 2 gets cancelled and we are left with root 3. 3 times root 3 minus 1 times root 3 is 2 times root 3. LHS is equal to 2 times root 3 and RHS is equal to 2 times root 3. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. We have proved that root 3 plus 1 of 3 minus cot 30 degrees is equal to tan³ 60 degrees minus 2 times sin 60 degrees.